Quiet on set, y'all. Howdy, my name is Luis Chandler, Recreation Program Supervisor.
My name is Chandler Knipe. I'm the landscape architect for the town. Within the Parks Department, I do a little bit of everything from our internal projects to dealing with consultants that are working on projects that we have kind of had design input and that are being designed for the town.
It's a very unique role. I do a lot of family-centric programs, adult leagues, stuff like Ducky Derby, pickleball tournaments. Bucket golf is a new one that we've came up with. It's really easy talking to people, like at least for me. So I asked them, what interests do y'all have? What can I bring to your community so that you're more involved?
When the community comes to us and says, oh, we want this, we want more plantings, we want more tulips, we want more pickleball space, we're able to turn around and say, okay, how can we make that work? And it's about coming together as a team and kind of working through problems and coming up with solutions.
Parks and Recreation, to me, is essential for a healthy life. It's good for business as well, and it's overall fun. You don't get old because of age, you get old because you stop playing.
I think the future of Addison parks are really bright. I think that Jana Tidwell, the director of the department, has done a great job. We are always looking to innovate and always looking to improve the experience and the ecological health of our parks and our open spaces for generations to come.
A proclamation be proclaimed by the Mayor Town of Addison, whereas Parks and Recreation is an integral part of communities throughout this country.
The team that you see here, we feel very strongly about what we do because parks build community. It's a place for neighbors to build relationships with each other. So we are honored to celebrate this month as a team together.